Okay. Whew. Yeah. Uh, oh, well, hey, I guess we're already recording this one. So, time to talk about the InstaPrivy and what this thing's all about. We'll go to the table and I'll show you the whole kit. Okay. What do we have here? Well, we got to talk about something really important to everybody that goes camping or overlanding, and that's poop. You got to do it. It's a fact of life. You got to have a good way of pooping, and not all of us are up to date on all of our squats and being able to have that perfect form. For people like myself, having some type of toilet chair is the way to go. And I've tried several, and to be honest, I've broke every one of them. But when we saw the InstaPrivy at Overland Expo, I thought, hey, this thing is designed well. They've tested it well above my weight, and I'm fully closed, about 310 pounds. So I'm not a light guy. To be able to have something that's going to hold up to my weight is really important. But what's cool about this thing is how it all stores away. So we flip the back, boom, nice and flat. And there's a lot of other pieces to this, and we'll get to them. Let's talk about the privacy shield. So this thing folds up and goes in the kit really nicely. It does have a hoop on the top, so you could suspend this if you want to change clothes, hang it from a tree, hang it from your rooftop tent, whatever. This mesh gives you a 360-degree view all the way around it. Inside, we've got some very useful instructions, which also make for good reading if you're taking your time while using the InstaPrivy. And there's also a pocket in here for your toiletries. And then this all folds up. If you're a photographer, you know how to fold up diffusers and reflectors, and that's going to go into this bag. Now, also included, we've got some carabiners, we got a strap, and we have a wabakaba bag. Now, this is basically a dry bag. And if you're going and you're filling waste bags with your poop, then, and you need to carry it out, which is required in some places, then you can put those bags in here, roll it up and seal it, and actually have this in your vehicle without getting any smell. So having the wabakaba bag, crucially important if you have to carry out your waste. Now, included in here, little shovel if you need to dig a hole. It's got some hand sanitizer. We got some toilet paper, and we've got waste bags. And the waste bags just sit right on top. You open it up, put a waste bag over it, flip the seat over, hold the bags in place, and you're ready to do your business. So this is the InstaPrivy kit. Like I said, we saw this at Overland Expo. I asked them about the weight. They said that they had taken this to a lab and put it on a hydraulic press to test the weight. And I'm not going to give you the numbers that they say because that's not what they officially rated at. They officially rated at 250 pounds. When I told him I'm a little over 300, he's like, yeah, you're not going to have any problems, but we just don't officially say that for safety purposes. But it should hold up quite well to just about anybody. It's fairly comfortable. It's nice and smooth, easy to clean, and it's light. And because it all comes in this nice little backpack, if you need to go hike yourself to a spot, you can just put everything in the backpack and get on your way. So we're very happy with it. We've been using it on our trip here in the flat tops. And where we're at today, here on Deep Lake, we're actually in a public campground. Now, this is rare for us. We're usually dispersed camping, so having privacy really isn't a problem for us because there's nobody around. But here, there's people walking back and forth. I can see 5 different campsites from our spot. So for that, privacy is really important. And that's whether you're using the InstaPrivy or just want to change clothes or anything like that. Being able to have this handy really is a big deal. Because our other privacy tent, it's actually a lot bigger and it's more bulky, time consuming to set up. The one that comes in this kit, super easy, super fast, and it gets the job done. So if you're looking for toilet seat, little privacy tent, a Wabakaba bag, all this in one kit. Definitely check out InstaPrivy. This has found a permanent new home in our trailer, and it probably will for you. So from Katarina and myself, happy number twos out there with your InstaPrivy. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.